The trailer of Randeep Hooda, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Rita Chadha star biopic Sarbjeet is getting marvelous response, especially Aishwarya and Randeep are being lauded for their performance and amazing transformations. But how they achieved it, how the film came into being, here is the cast of the film revealing all that.
To begin with, when Umang came to me with the subject, it was an immediate yes. He's already shared that with you. Because when you hear the story, I mean, I'm sure you all already got the feeling, the vibe of it when you saw the trailer right now. How can we walk away from being a part of telling the story and sharing it with everybody, especially the human story? We are all familiar with the reportage, and thank you all for doing what you do day in and day out. But nevertheless, there are a lot of, as I started out saying today, that we all still individually as Indians continue with our lives. We do get affected, we do get disturbed, but we don't necessarily can possibly experience or take the minute out to experience how just an incident can completely change the dynamic of a family, can change the lives of a family. And it was important to be part of that narrative and to share it with us Indians. Sarbjeet's life cannot go, his story cannot go unknown. And Dalbir fought for over 23 years relentlessly. I mean, this kind of sibling love and commitment, the lady's capacity to be Sarbjeet for his family, to be Sarbjeet's Dalbir Penji for him, to be Darji's spirit and strength to be able to keep the fight ongoing is just a commendable, unbelievable spirit. And there, I think, adjectives fall short to describe that spirit which exists in so many households of our country and worldwide. So this story needed to be told, and thank you, Umang, for bringing it to me. This is one of those movies where the oddest answer I think anybody can give here saying is, it was a pleasure doing this role. Because that's something you cannot say. It's too intense, too disturbing on a daily basis. But as artists, I'm sure we all feel grateful to have got an opportunity to essay these characters and tell their story to you all, the audience.
We made this true to the heart. What Dalbir told us, what her story was, we followed exactly that way. Okay, emotions run high because if you've seen her videos, she also does, you know, so I wanted to capture that completely, and that's what I had told Ash also, okay, this is what I look for the role. Sarbjeet as a character, like Randeep said, we knew very less about, only the things that Dalbir personally had told us. So the preparations for the film was exactly like what if Dalbir was part of it. So we've stayed true to the story completely. We've not changed anything, okay? Because it's a written fact, you can see it, you can Google it, the dates, weights, everyone knows about it. So it's true to the facts.
The hard part of the character, of course, weight loss and all that is something we had decided, and it took a lot of willpower to achieve that. But the hardest part of the character was the fact that a lot is known and documented about Dalbir Kaur. Not much is known about him and his prison life. So that, to keep it true and to keep it within the script and keep it as honest as possible, and to go through the suffering he did for 23 years, where out of that 18 years he was locked up in chains and was in a Kal Kotri. So imagining all that was the harder part, and you know, with Umang and as a co-conspirator, it was very easy, and I feel that everybody in the cast has done a fantastic job, and I'm very proud to be a part of this movie.
Sarbjeet is a biopic based on Sarbjeet Singh, an Indian farmer imprisoned in Pakistan and condemned to death for terrorism. It is slated to release on May 20 and will see Randeep as Sarbjeet and Aishwarya as his sister Dalbir Kaur.